Alright, so it's nighttime and I'm gonna hit him with the OAV. I'm gonna close these up and I'm giving a full 4 grams. They're getting it. A full 4 grams is what they're getting here. I put the OAV in this pill bottle and I added like 3 drops of water. And I cranked this thing up to, let me see if I can get this right. Crank this up to 4 grams. So I added some water because I finally found, it was, who was it? Was it Lorab? Had a video. Yeah, look at that. That's a full 4 grams and it's loaded properly. Let me pull my stopper and we're gonna wait for a solid here, which should be happening any second unless this battery. I found that some of my batteries are like 2019, so that's part of the problem I've been having. Just one of the things. Oh, and I don't have my damn mask on. I'm gonna put that on real quick because this stuff will kill you. It's mustard gas. I actually, one time, I took one little breath after doing the treatment. One little tiny breath. And like the next day I had a bloody nose. So I don't know if that was related or not. Okay, let me see if I can put the little geek strap on. I don't know, this battery may not be charged because it's blinking and blinking. Alright, let's see here. It's still blinking. I don't know what's the problem here. I think the battery may be no good. Oh, there we go. We got solid. Okay. We're giving a full 4. They're getting a full 4. And let me see if I can see any vapor leaking out. Of course, I got to shine the light down here too. There we go. I've never seen any come out of this top one, which, you know, that's another thing. I got. Nope. Anyway, that's full 4 grams there. Looks like it about did it. Jiggled the handle. I know that doesn't do anything. So I think it got it. And it's not clogged. So That was treatment number 12. Got my pill bottle worked with a couple drops of water. That actually worked really good. Yeah, the time I breathed it, it was after when I took the cap off, and just a little tiny bit of that vapor just about killed me. And we put the cap back in. There you go, 4 grams. I was trying to put it in the top, but I can't. I have to fabricate something to come in the top one through here. But all the bees are home, so hopefully everybody just got a little OAV on them. I can't hear them. I'm going to take this thing off if I can do that. So I can smell a little bit of that. Even just that little tiny bit right there. I got a little sour. And that's just a little tiny residual vapor there. I'm gonna leave it closed for 10 minutes. So I cleaned the board off earlier, and I haven't touched them. It seems like a week. We got a party happening down below us. Friday night, the day after Thanksgiving. So that's it. We'll see. I think this is gonna be the last treatment for till December, mid-December. But it wasn't too bad. There was 120. Was it 124? Or no, 150. Might have been 154 or something like that today, but that was a week-long count. You know, I hadn't checked the board. I was busy on a cutout, so I hadn't touched I didn't touch my hives for seemed like a whole week. All right, we'll call it